If you use Shopify as your e-commerce platform and you do email marketing, you are under attack of bots. And I'll explain you today how to identify it and how to clean up those profiles. But before we do, I quickly will explain you why it's important. First of all, those are bots, those not real people. So if you're building your list and they are inflated with those bots, so you're paying for them. They also hurting your deliverability because you are sending emails to them and they are not engaging overall. And maybe there's other purposes why those bots were attacking your Shopify store, which I'm not aware of. But today I'll show you quickly how to build a segment inside of Klaviyo and how to clean up that list. And what we found, almost all brands that we're working with were under bots attack. First, log into your Klaviyo account, or if you use any other platform, like just follow the steps. Logic will be the same. On the left side, click list and segment, create new, and create new segment. And let's do bots. Now we need to follow the following prompts. I wrote myself those 7 criteria. So first of all, somebody who opened email 0 times overall. Also, we want somebody who, and we just want to give them time. Profile, properties about someone, properties, we want created. Created is at least, you can do 1 day, 3 day, 3 days ago. The next one, so we got this one, open, who can receive and, so we have this one, who can receive email marketing, The next one, let's do the first one. What the common thing between all those bots, they are starting checkout or adding to cart inside of your Shopify. They automatically syncing with Shopify. So it's a problem because it's growing your list. And actually, let me show you a few bots. You see, all those have things in common. So they have numbers in their email, they don't have a first name, and also they either started checkout or added to cart through Shopify. So that's why we need to do the done something. Let's duplicate this one, and here we do started checkout at least once overall. Sorry, started, I need this one, the Shopify, and added to cart at least once overall. So this is good. Important to add here or and not and then and. First name. So when somebody's starting a checkout except added to cart, start checkout, they must have the first name because the started checkout will not work. So let's do property of someone. We do first name is not set. Also, we want to exclude people and in case they place in order. Placed order 0 times overall, and the last thing is a little bit time consuming, but it's important to add. Property about someone, you do email contains, and you start from 0 and you go to 9, and just simply when you are here, click this one, duplicate, or just duplicate and put here 1, 2, because you want to cover all the numbers, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. So you have 9. In this case, we have 26,000 active profile. And for somebody, it can be half of their list. For somebody, it can be like entire, almost 90% of their list. For other brands, maybe 10% of their list. But still, 26 fake profiles, it's a lot. So as you can see here, it's like email contain any of those numbers. Then person has opened email 0th time, person has started checkout at least once overall time, or person added to cart at least once overall. First name is not set, person can receive email marketing, person has placed order 0 times overall, and created at least 3 days ago. So when you create this kind of list, first of all, make sure to exclude this segment from all of your campaigns. And second, constantly go here on monthly, weekly, or schedule and click suppress current member. There's a way to create automations inside of Klaviyo, which will be deleting those profile automatically, but this is for another video. And comment below in case you want to see that video, the tutorial, and I'll record another video. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, because it helps us to grow and show this kind of videos to more audience, to help them how to use Klaviyo and email marketing properly.
Want to unlock hidden revenue in your emails? Our email marketing audit gives you full clarity on what's working, what's not, and exactly what to fix first. Here's how it's done. We start with your list growth, reviewing your opt-ins and SMS collection for quick wins. Then we audit your email flows using our traffic light system. Green for what's great, yellow for what needs work, and red for what's missing. Next, we check your campaigns and segmentation, benchmark your performance, and give tips to boost clicks and conversions. We even analyze your deliverability and design so your emails look great and actually land in inboxes. But the best part? You get a live walkthrough with one of our specialists, plus an actionable plan you can implement right away. Get your audit in just 3 business days. Book now and turn your emails into a revenue machine.
Hey, if you're watching this and you like what you see, please hit subscribe and hit the bell, because it helps us grow our channel.